fish fans. Today we got the Lews Mach Speed Spool SLP. I'm doing an unboxing. See how she looks. That's what she looks like in the box. Yes, I already got braid on there. I've already been using a little bit. Just give you a little unboxing video. We got our Q reader square there. I don't know what for. Probably something in that Lews. It is a 10 bearing system with a 7.5-to-1 retrieve speed spool. It's black and green. You got your magnetic brake system here on the side. Open and close latch here to take the magnetic brake system off. Take your spool out in case you get a bad backlash you can't get out. Y'all know I get those all the time. Got your tension knob right here for your spool. Feels pretty good in the hands. Feels pretty good retrieving from what I've felt using it so far. Lews, you guys know about Lews. What I've used of it so far, it is very smooth. No hiccups with it. A few backlashes, but that was on me. It is a lever open versus a spin, like the cheaper ones. That would be my cat. If any of you guys know that watch this, know what that means or why she does that, leave it in the comments below and hit the like button for Meowsy there. Has a nice drag star on it. I believe it is 12 pounds of drag. Let's see here. Got this in the box. It is, let's see, we got the MS1SH, membrane system, internally adjustable magnetic controls system, Konya line guide, 95mm bowed aluminum handle. Alrighty. Let's see if it gives us any information on the drag. It doesn't say anything on the drag that I can see. I believe it's a 10 or 12 pound drag, which is pretty decent. It's not bad. This is my first Lews reel. I feel that it's very nice for being a budget fisherman. It's up there in that range of, I don't know, $60-$70 range, I believe. It does have the aluminum anodized spool. I'm not sure if they're just regular bearings in here or ceramic bearings. That'll be something I'll have to look up. Let you guys know back in the comments. But it is the Mach Speed. They didn't give me any other information minus a warranty card. 10 pound max drag. There you go. Right there on the box. I should have read that first, huh? And it holds 110 yard 12 pound line. I got 20 pound braid on here right now, which seems pretty good. I'm going to try to use this for my topwater frog rod reel, because it is 7.5 for a better retrieve. If I missed anything on here, oh, this bail is really nice. I like how this bail feels. very good thumb button. Is there anything in this video that you think I might have missed about it? Leave it in the comments. If you like this review video, hit the like button. Check out some of my other videos. Consider subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Fish on. Yeah!